y'all, Russ here. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Yay! Look at the van. It's happy. We're leaving. Gonna leave in the morning. Well, actually about noon tomorrow. Getting it all packed up. Look at all the stickers on it. Got the map on the back. But we're getting ready to go. We, which is me. Let me show you the inside. I pretty much got everything done, packed in it, except for camera gear. I'll put that in tomorrow. There it is. Got the tubs in the back. Couches mounted. Ice chest. Even got a Bose radio. There's the air conditioner. So we're looking good. Looking good. I'll fix up a little bit more pillows and stuff. Satellite radio. Got all the mounts. That's just a trade. I'll keep camera gear that I'm easy access to and it won't fall on the floor. Inverter, solar, we're good. So today's mission, I gotta get this thing bundled up, the motorhome. But I'm gonna wait a little while till early afternoon. I gotta pull all the shade screens out the windows, pull the jacks up, empty the tanks, all kinds of stuff. But right now, I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee. Plus I need to get a bag of ice because I'm gonna turn the refrigerator off in the motorhome. And probably run by the post office real quick to get that done. Let's do it. Let's go. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this trip. Finally getting out of here. Got everything caught up. Hit the road. Tyson Wells Game Store. Yay. Ain't nobody here except me. Okay, make a left here on Kewen. Just go grab a quick cup of coffee, post office, and ice. Maybe I'll get a little fuel too, have that done. So tomorrow morning is when I'll put the motorhome in storage. You know, you got to empty the tanks, and it's going to sit for, oh, a little over 3 months, 3.5 months. So I just want to make sure it's all buttoned up. I ran the generator last night for about almost an hour under a load. I turned on the air conditioners and ran the generator, which is good practice. You should run your generator, supposed to run it about once a month. It had probably been a couple months. So I got that done. It's full of fuel, the motorhome. I'll turn the propane off and I'll do a little bit of video on that. I'm kind of crunched on time. I don't know how much filming I'll get done. Putting it away tomorrow. I'll try to get as much as I can. And then, like the window sunscreens, all that, those will be stay off. It's actually going to be inside of a building too, so which is nice. I have inside storage for it, so it won't be cooked in the sun. It will be in the heat, but not in the sun. Another little trick is too, you leave water jugs with the lid off, and it creates a little bit of moisture inside the RV. And you can do that with trailers or anything, and it helps in extreme heat and hot conditions. Keeps the cabinets from cracking. I had an old Airstream where all the cabinets had the wood in them had cracked because it was in such heat and dryness, and I had to replace all those. That was a few years ago. So the desert can really burn up in a vehicle too. It's hard on any finish, interiors, all of it. Okay, there's Love's. What they got? $3.15. Nah. Plus, I don't like their coffee. I'm gonna go over, stop at that Bird's coffee over on Main. I even put away all the cooking stuff in the motorhome, so can't even make a cup of coffee. The fridge is down to nothing. I got very little, and once I get the ice, then I'll turn it off and defrost the fridge. Okay, we'll make a right here on Main Street. Beautiful temperatures, in the 80s all this week. Next week it's really supposed to crank up here, but I ain't gonna be here. Okay, head on down. This is the downtown area of Quartzsite. Let's see what Pilot's at. See what they want for their fuel. They're up here on the right. And the winning number is... Nah, 315. Same. Nah, keep going. I'll probably end up down to Arco. That's normally where I go. Okay, up here where the yellow tank is, I'm gonna pull in here. That's where Bird's Best Bean Coffee is. Little trailer. They're actually gonna stay open all summer. If you're in the area, stop and get a cup of coffee from them. Okay, let me pull in here a sec. They also sell ice cream here too. Alright, grab me a quick cup and we're on the road.
Hello.
Hey kid.
How are you today?
Beautiful.
Alright, take care, Russ, and thank you.
My coffee, they'll be open year round all summer. Always look for this big yellow tank here where it says K&B and all that. You'll find them. Alright, next stop is post office. Go see if there's anything down there for me. Probably not. I don't get much mail. Almost everything's online now. Dollar General. I need to get a couple jugs of water. I'll do that in the morning on my way out of town. There's that big market. I really don't need anything. I'm trying to empty stuff out. So I've done real well the last couple of weeks getting rid of food and using it up. I haven't bought hardly anything. So shouldn't have too much to get rid of or throw away. Alright, almost there. Make a left up here into the post office. Run in and check it real quick. You guys are going to have to wait in a van. Yeah, okay. Look at it. Post office is calmed way down. It's so easy to get in and out of here right now. In the winter, they're lined up out in the street. That's a pharmacy straight over there, too. They got summer hours, but they are open. Okay, let me back up here. Get parked. I'll be right back. Old saying, no news is good news. Nothing in there. So, okay, won't see them till this fall. Alright, now it's down to fuel and ice. I think I'm just going to run on down to Arco. Just be done with it. They sell ice there too. Okay, 325 at that 76. No way. Alright, I'm going to head on down Main. I'm going to go down to Arco, buy some ice, get a little fuel, and head back over to the motorhome. I'll film putting the motorhome away tomorrow. I don't know how much of it I'll get done, but we'll get something on film. That way you can see where how it's going to be stored. And then go on from there. Once I get on the road, I'll show a bunch more of the van, what's in it, the setup and all that too. So there's going to be a ton of video coming out. Yay. Alright, here we are, 3:15, same as everyone else. This is good. Alright, this is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.